body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Got me what needs to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day I get your body talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Your body 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 talk to me nice.
I need you in the morning. Why I need you now, need you now, need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find you, I give you all you need. I know I can lie, I can lie, I can lie, I can lie. Yeah, yeah. I feel it coming. Yeah, yeah. Tell me something, yes, yeah, yeah. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Girl, when it comes to Xrsbeauty Hair, it's always the lace for me. Okay, what was that? You didn't even realize it was a lace. Girl, that's what I'm saying. Clear lace, melt right into the scalp. It's giving scalp. You would think this is mine. You wouldn't even have known that this is a whole wig had I not said it, would you? Now, I have collaborated with this company before, and they were so kind enough to reach out to me again. And because I had great experience with my last unit, which was a straight wig, I was ready to jump on board with this opportunity, and I selected the body wave this particular time around in a 20-inch. The color is 1B, so it's like a natural tone. It's the volume that this is giving for me. One thing about a body wave, it's going to give va-va-voom. It's going to give life. You know what I'm saying? It's going to have that little bounce. This density is 200%. And I really think that this is not too much and it's not too little. This unit is a 13x6 clear lace and clear hairline wig. Before I get into any other thing, when it comes to this wig, we just have to talk about the hairline. I did not pluck this unit. It came naturally pre-plucked. If you're not really sure what you're doing when it comes to a wig, honey, but you want to give that natural celebrity look, this company is the way to go. I pulled it out of the packaging. You will see the actual wave pattern that it came in. I did not wash this unit, but I did go in and add some wand curls, and I flexi rotted it as well, just to add a little bit more to what it was already given. Cap construction of this wig was pretty nice. As you can see here, it does come with a few combs, honey. Actually, a lot of combs. I was surprised. I think it was about 5 of them. It also has a adjustable scrap in the back, which I like. And I love that it also included a scrap as well that you can be able to attach or detach. So if you wanted to wear it glueless, honey, you most definitely could. This clear hairline is much more natural than regular pre-plucked hairline. This company customizes its hairline to make it melt like butter right into your scalp. There was no corn chip smells. Did not experience any type of tangles or snags or anything like that. Now, I did get a little shedding, but it was very minimum when I was styling this unit. Try to do a little something different here, sis. What you think? Giving you high school tees, okay? Back when I was growing up type of hairstyles, you know? I think this is really cute. Being able to wear it up like this gives it an even more natural feel. You notice that the hair can get a tad bit frizzy like. So what I do, sis, is I go in with my argan oil, spray it on a little bit, run my fingers through it, and then, you know, it takes the poof away. This is a decent length for me. Pulled all the way down to scrape is past a little up underneath my bust. This is very natural. The length is giving professional. It's giving office job, corporate America, honey. I haven't worn this unit for a very long time. I will say that. It's been a few days or so. I flexi rotted, but I expected the curls to hold a little bit better, which it didn't. I had to go in and create some more curls. but I didn't use any product either to hold. So that could be the issue. Really didn't have to do much of anything. I just pretty much used my wig spray glue to adhese it in the front and cut off the excess lace. And then I just went to styling the way I would like. I ain't gonna lie, these units can be a little on the pricier end. When it comes to quality, you gotta spend it. Just wanna do a little comparison here because I know some of y'all is probably like, well, why would I pay that type of coin for a wig? Well, this is why, sis. Here you will notice that I have two type of lace. This is the transparent lace. And then here is the new clear lace that Xrsbeauty specializes in. So if you notice here on my skin, you see the transparent lace, it melts. Don't get me wrong. However, you can still kind of see the knots. Just a tad bit. If that's good, then honey, you know that this is that real melt. This is that where you wouldn't even think that I had anything on my hand. You can't even see nothing, sis. You can't even see nothing. There's a difference. I mean, they're both pretty good, but this is amazing. Love that you can be able to part this wig in many ways. So if you want to wear a left part, a middle part, right part, way over here by the ear part, you can do that. Now, I do have a coupon code for you ones who are interested in getting your hands on this unit, sis. You know I got you. Go ahead and take advantage and use this code here on the screen. Here is how the packaging arrived in a pretty orange box. And they also included some nice little goodies. If you have any questions about this unit, feel free to leave it down in the comments. I'm gonna make sure I linked the prior video to this another wig review that I did for this company if you haven't seen that yet. If you made it to the end of this video, be sure to put this emoji here in the comments down below. I want to thank the company so very much for sending over this unit, and I want to thank you, yes, you, for taking the time out to watch my video. Until next time, later.